Taylor with A, and I'm back and I'm better like never before. In today's video is a tape in install, a DIY tape in. So I used some old bundles that I had that were in really good shape and made them into tape ins. You know, we don't want to waste hair around here. So I went to the beauty supply and got these two different type of tapes. And then I also bought this solvent, you know, for an easier removal process. But I'm not sure how this gonna work, so I'm gonna keep y'all posted. So this is how the tape looks when you take it out of the package. But hate to break it to y'all, this tape was trash. So don't even mind that tape that I showed y'all. I recommend getting the soooo tape, and in the video you'll see that I switched tapes. Soooo also has tape ends, but like I said, I want to keep it baddie on the budget. You know, that's my theme, kind of my channel. So the tape was only $11. So technically this only cost me $11 to do. So I took the tape and I lined it down the track, and then I split it in half because it's technically two pieces of tape. So each piece is about 1 inch wide. So you just remove the backing. No matter what tape you use, remove the backing and place it on the track. It was faster for me to line up all the pieces of tape and then to cut them off. Well, you know, like cut them into the smaller pieces. After I did all that repetitive mess, this is what it looked like when it was done. But the tape on the left is the tape that I end up using. So when I went to install this, I flat ironed my hair in very tiny, small pieces. I told you I had a big chop, so don't mind my hair. Y'all see how this tape, like the paper is sticking, my fingers is getting stuck to it. Like this tape was not good, it was trash. The tape ends didn't even like, oh, you know, I had to switch the tape. But when you're installing it, make sure you use small, thin pieces so that each side of the tape can connect so that they can stick together. Otherwise, it definitely will not stick. I learned that throughout the process, I should say. So this is what the tape I used ended up looking like. Each tape in, you know, it's all small, sleek, and professional. Ooh, child, don't mind my nails. I need some cuticle oil, baby. But baby, I love this style. It came out so good. It was very tedious, but it came out so good. And then this is like a little video of my progress. And yeah. So y'all, it's the next day and I'm actually ready to go out. Yesterday I wore my hair in like a ponytail and I felt like that wasn't enough, you know, to be ending the video off on. But I just unwrapped my hair. And let me straighten this with each other because Lord, I didn't want to put no heat on it, but I had to for that part. So it's just really like effortless flip over method, you know. I don't know if you can see how my hair looks. I need to cover this, but it's just, you know. Let's see. I unwrapped my hair. I thought about curling it, but my hair is so short, so I can't do that. So I'm just doing my baby hair and, you know, get going. I got somewhere to be. So I could really like flip it over more, but you know, I gotta blend the edges. So I'm gonna do my baby hair. Maybe I will leave it this flipped over. No, ma'am. Maybe one piece. So I got my 24-hour edge tamer. And I'm gonna do my baby hair. I have a lot of baby hair. Ever since I was born, my baby hairs have been like OD. Like all of this. Real baby hairs, not adult hairs. I'm not gonna do this side though, because I'm not going nowhere. I mean, I said because I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna do this side though because it's gonna be flipped over. So the least amount of product, the better. I'm just gonna hold my hair back and do a quick 1, 2, like that. I'm so used to like wigs. I don't do real baby hair no more. This is ghetto. This, my friends, is ghetto. Because I don't deal with my real hair. Like, what? Y'all see that? I don't deal with my real hair. Okay. So now this is how this looks. If y'all couldn't see it. You know, just real effortless. Yesterday when I went to brunch, my hair was real effortless and I was loving it. I had a ponytail, but it got so hot in there, okay? So, yeah, this is the hair. I would rate Tapiens a 5 out of 10 just because I don't personally wear my real hair. I don't deal with my real hair. So if you're someone that wears your real hair regularly and, you know, like, just know how to tame your real hair, this is definitely for you. I'm thinking about doing tape-ins with the extra curly hair in the DR when I go out the country because that I can see because I can just wear my, you know, hair naturally as curly as it is and, you know, be good to go. But this hair is really straight. I DIY'd my tape-ins. I did not buy them. I was scared that if I bought this brand, so I bought the soooo brand. They have tape-ins on Amazon that I seen on TikTok. I was scared that it was going to be giving Remy. And I'm not that kind of girl, okay? My hair is 100% virgin. That's all I wear. So, I was scared it was going to give me some Remy hair on some tape. And I just wasn't feeling that. So, baddie on a budget. I have hella bundles. I made my own tape-ins. And I feel like it works, okay? For me to not be a professional, it works. Okay? So, in total, this project cost me, okay, so we're not going to count the money I wasted on the first tape because I hated that tape. So technically these tape-ins cost me $11 because I used the soooo tape and some hair I already had. So $11, baddie on a budget, not bad, okay? But if you got a bad hair and all of that, that's another story. You might as well buy the tape. I mean the tape-ins that's already made with the tape on it, the hair with the tape. But yeah, if you all enjoyed this little video, this little DIY, this was for the it girls. This is for the it girls all day. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. You know, we baddies. That's all I promote on this channel is how to look like a bad bitch. Okay? And let me know in the comments because I want to do a comment section because I want to do another designer unboxing, but I don't know yet what to do. I kind of want to do stuff that y'all want to see, not just stuff that I want to have. So let me know. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this tape-in video, if y'all are here for the tape-ins, then make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, like button, all that good. And I'll definitely see you all in the next video. Bye.